Question 10. Calculate the frequency, energy and wavelength of the radiation corresponding to the spectral line of lowest frequency in Lyman series in the spectra of hydrogen atom. Also, calculate the energy for the corresponding line in the spectra of lithium ion. The value of energy of electron in any orbit is equal to minus 13.6 into z square divided by n square. Now to get the spectral line of lowest frequency in Lyman series, this is obtained when electron jumps from the second orbit to the first orbit. Therefore, delta E will be equal to energy in the second orbit minus energy in the first orbit. Now this is for hydrogen atom. So value of Z हो जाएगा 1 and value of Z square will be equal to 1 square. Value of N will depend upon the number of the orbit. So for energy in the second orbit, the value of N is 2. So N square हो जाएगा 2 square. And for energy in the first orbit, value of N will be 1. So N square will be equal to 1 square. So the value of delta E will be equal to 13.6 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, where N1 and N2 denote the number of the orbit. तो N1 square हो जाएगा 1 square, N2 square हो जाएगा 2 square. Solve करेंगे, value of delta E आ जाएगा 10.2 electron volt. Now 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Therefore 10.2 electron volt will be equal to 10.2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and this is equal to 1.632 into 10 to the power minus 18 joules. अब delta E is equal to H into frequency. तो value of frequency आ जाएगी equal to delta E divided by the Planck's constant. डेल्टा ए की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाएगी 2.46 into 10 to the power 15 हर्ट्ज. नाउ वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटू वेवलेंथ. वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू है 3 into 10 to the power 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड. फ्रीक्वेंसी की वैल्यू है 2.46 into 10 to the power 15 इंटू वेवलेंथ. सॉल्व करेंगे, वैल्यू ऑफ वेवलेंथ आ जाएगी 1.219 into 10 to the power minus 7 मीटर. So the value of frequency, energy and wavelength of the radiation corresponding to the spectral line of lowest frequency in Lyman series is obtained. Now, energy for the corresponding line in the spectra of lithium 2 plus ion. Lithium का atomic number होता है 3. So value of Z for lithium will be equal to 3. Now since this is lithium 2 plus ion, means it has only one electron, so the electron will be removed from the first orbit. The value of energy for the lithium ion will be equal to value of energy for hydrogen into Z square. Value of energy for hydrogen is 1.632 into 10 to the power minus 18 और Z square की value हो जाएगी 3 square which is equal to 9. So value of energy for lithium ion will be equal to 1.632 into 10 to the power minus 18 into 9, which is equal to 14.68 into 10 to the power minus 18 joules.